Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Reynolds with Board. Better off reading every day. Today, I have a good one for you. It is right outside with nothing but fresh air, and it's called Let's Explore Nature. It is a Baby Einstein book. Let's explore nature. It's a fine spring day. Violet is exploring. Today, she uses her binoculars. The binoculars make everything look close and big. Violet is looking for birds. Look around. What does Violet see? Violet sees three sparrows hopping along the riverbed. The sparrows chirp to one another in little bursts. They shake and ruffle their brown feathers. Violet wishes she could hold a sparrow in her hand. Violet takes a picture. Look around. What does Violet see? Violet sees the waves of the ocean. They move back and forth across the sand. The waves make the sand wet. Violet squeezes the wet sand between her toes. It feels squishy. The sand is all around her, under the sea and up the beach in every direction. What does Violet do? Violet fills her bucket with water. The water makes her bucket heavy. She wiggles her fingers around in the water like little fish. She touches one wet finger to her tongue. The water tastes salty. Sunshine sparkles on the waves of the sea like the little stars. Violet takes a picture. Look around. What does Violet see? Violet sees a leaf. It floats like a boat along a river of rain. Besides the tree curb, there are beautiful raindrops on the leaf. They glisten like little stars. Violet takes a picture and skips along, humming. The rain slows down. Look around. What does Violet see? A big puddle, the biggest puddle ever. Violet sees the wide sky reflected in the puddle. She sees the wisps of clouds reflected in the puddle. Violet sees how flat the top of the puddle is, like glass. Look around. What does Violet see? Violet sees icicles hanging from the edge of the roof. The icicles are clear and bright, like glass. Violet thinks the icicles are beautiful. Violet takes a picture. The snow falls all around. What does Violet do? Violet carves a smile on a snowman's face with her finger. She catches a falling snowflake on her mitten. When she looks at it closely, Violet sees its pretty Can you count the points on a snowflake? Sparkling waves, a pretty leaf, shiny icicles, three sparrows. Look at all pictures from nature. The end of Let's Explore Nature, a Baby Einstein 9-month book. Let's explore nature. And that is what we did. We explored nature out here in the grass, with the trees, with the shrubbery, with the birds, with the leaves, with the flowers, with everything around us. We're just one constant explorer. Exploring, exploring, exploring. Boys and girls, it is Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D. Better Off Reading Every Day. I hope that you are having a chance to get out there and explore every chance you get, because we have a big, beautiful world. It's a little windy today, but when it's not, you definitely can get out there and check out everything that nature has to offer, including beautiful, beautiful flowers and a beautiful, beautiful sun. It's been my pleasure to bring this book to you and to share all of this beauty with you. It won't stay in my hair, but it's definitely beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye.